Everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. One of the things we do, in addition to negotiating our clients' back tax debt with the IRS, is we get taxpayers back in compliance with filing their tax returns. We help folks who haven't filed their taxes in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, decades, their whole life, get back in that tax system before the IRS calculates their own tax return for them, grossly overstating their liability in most cases. I made a video on what to do if you haven't filed taxes in years. A viewer, James, asked, hey, well, what if I'm learning disabled and I don't have all of my forms? Two things to that, James. One, we have clients learning disabled and not learning disabled who do not have their tax forms from previous years. So let me just say that there's plenty of people without a learning disability who are, you know, just get behind in that respect. So you don't have to. That's not an unusual thing, at least among our client base. Second thing is, you know, and this may seem unfair, but you know, even if you do have you know, a disability or something, you know, the IRS does not. You know, this sounds rough, but it kind of doesn't care. Right? And their logic there is, well, if they were able enough to earn an income, to keep a job and earn an income, that they're able enough to do their taxes. James, if you can't find your tax docs and, you know, you're not able to pull, you know, transcripts or anything like that, I'd encourage you to reach out to us here at Choice Tax Relief. We can help you with this. We can, you know, pull all those old tax docs. We can get the information you need and, of course, file your tax returns for you. So if you'd like to schedule a free consultation with us, give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or go to our website, choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the homepage, and we will reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I have some other videos about unfiled tax returns and things like that on the side of the screen. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.